Hi and welcome to MGTracey, the home of tips, trips and tunes. And the very kind people of Temu have sent me this. Now here in the UK, I would know this as a lint remover, but some people call that a fabric shaver. And in the States, it would be known as removing pilling from sweaters. Now, a lot of Instagrammers and YouTubers will tell you can do this with a male razor, or you can do it with an ordinary razor, or you can even do it with a pumice stone. Honestly, nightmare. You are going to need a specialist tool. Let me show you how to use this one on one of my sweaters. And this is the lint remover that I have been sent by Temu. Thank you to them. So you've got your charging cable, you don't need batteries, you've got some instructions, and you've got a little cleaning brush. Now the instructions are quite important because they will tell you the bits of your garment to avoid, like going over any sewing, any pieces of material that are broken, any zips or buttons, because you're going to damage the garment. You can see how it works here, so a quick charge, we'll just do that now. This one from Temu doesn't need any batteries, which is a common thing now with all these small appliances. It just comes with its own USB cable. Just give it a charge for a couple of hours. Once it's plugged in, you'll see it's red. When it goes green, you're ready to go. So I've charged that for an hour and got a green light there, and we're ready to go. So it sounds very much like a razor. Now, where is the lint going? It is going down the sides here. So obviously you can just empty that out by tapping it or getting in there with the brush. It doesn't need to be super clean. In here are some very fast spinning blades, and if you just twist it gently, you'll find that it locks. This is a close-up to show you what's happened to some of my jumpers, and the longer you leave this and the more you wash it, obviously the greater you get all this lint or pilling if you're in America. So let's find a way to get rid of that. Right, here we go then. Let's have a look how we're doing. And there we go. You can see you've got quite a lot off already. Empty that out. So it might take you 3 or 4 minutes to go over the entire garment, but it's the same thing, circular motions. And then you should find that all this flick here, all this pilling or pulling or whatever you call it in your country, should be gone, and you should have a nice smooth jumper once again. There we go, and that's after, and you can see it actually took 5 or 6 minutes, but the jumper's pretty much like new. Over here, you can see exactly what's come out of the unit, and I need to give that a good clean with a brush now. Just give that a little clean, and then it's ready to be charged and put away for next time. So you'll find the links to buy this one from Temu in my description box below, along with some discount codes, and if your order's big enough, you also get free delivery. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. It really helps me. This is Paul from London. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.